So yo, you lot, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can win this car for free. Now by the end of the video you'll understand exactly how to do it, and yo, it's completely free. It's not clickbait, it's not no dodgy. But yo, I'm doing a mad build to give to one of you lot, you get me?
Man can't do it like DRIVADAVE. C-Blue like still blow that chase. X3M got stupid brake. Big whip, we got the whole estate. Real wheel drive is spinning it mad. Giving out gaps is dinner it man. Do it on road or spin it on tracks. Man can't do it like us, that's cap.
Obviously you saw I picked up that Civic from Ronnie the other day. I've got it on the trailer right now. I'm on the way to go and get the engine swap. So obviously when we was picking up the car from Ronnie, we had that situation with the immobiliser where, you know, we haven't been able to move the car back, so we can't get it started. The engine in it was actually good, but we're fucking taking that out anyway, you get me? So we looked it on the trailer, 4-man pushed it up. It's been stuck on the trailer ever since. So today I clear my trailer and I get a new engine in my Civic. We're heading over to a well-known Civic, man. It's called Big Man Ting. If you know, you know. So we're heading over there now. He's the goat with Civics, people are saying, and like, yo, if I'm giving the car to one of you lot, I don't want to give you a car that's a nail, so I want to make sure that the car's proper, and apparently this is the best guy to go to. Yeah, this car's going to be sick, man. I'm excited for the end result of this car. This is just like the start. Obviously the start of it's buying the car, which we bought from Trademark off on it. We've now designed the wheels. The wheels are getting made as we speak. Look, we're in full effect with this build. So we've got the wheels on the way. We've ordered the body kit. The paint shop guys on me, ready to take the car. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, we're doing a full overhaul on this car. Like, we're bringing back an old nail that's been parked up for 4 years to basically brand new. Do you know what I mean? So I'm really invested. Look, it's 6:54 in the AM on Saturday morning. Not no fucking Monday or Tuesday, it's fucking Saturday where I'm sat right now, people. You know, a lot of yous lot were out on the town blowing your cash. I'm just spending my cash on you lot. So my alarm was set and I was up, trooper, on the way to the garage to get the trailer, you get me, and now I'm sorted. We're on the way to go and sort the car.
Yeah, what do you think of it?
Check it, bro. It's fucking been hot wired, look.
It looks good, you know, this car.
DSG box. DSG.
When she's done, she's going to be a minter.
It's going to be a fucking tool, you mad. Send this to Taha, TM Bodywork. If you know, then get to know. Yes, lad?
Can I get a picture with you?
Yeah, come on, man. Get that spoiler from, man.
Oh, I've got twin spoilers, you know.
Twin spoilers.
Yeah, man, I raced against Lamborghini.
What's your phone then?
Oh, yeah.
You had a race for a Lamborghini Revuelto, innit?
Yeah. I lost against it, innit? And I was like, shit, I need another spoiler, innit? So I had to get another spoiler, man.
Show me this go fast spoiler.
Show me.
I need a go fast spoiler, to be fair. Look, watch it, you're going to get run over. I need it. Oh my god, look at that twin spoiler, boys. Check it, carbon fibre, you know.
Lightweight, man.
You're not messing around.
But did you put the spoiler on the spoiler?
Yeah.
Oh, fucking hell.
Give me extra aerodynamics to the next. What Lambo did you race? A Revoluto?
Yeah, Revuelto, man.
So the next Revuelto that wants it, you get me? It's gonna smoke you, look. He's put tape on as well for aerodynamics.
Trust me.
Fair play, man. You have a good day, G.
Yeah,
nice to meet you as well, man.
See you, man.
Safe.
That's the real meaning of petrol, when you're gluing stuff to your roof to try and go faster. Yo, before you see the outcome of this video, yeah, let me just plug this in and show you how I'm able to buy cars like this. We've got a free community, the link is in the bio, it's also on this QR code here, yeah, join it, pre it, watch it, because yo, it just teaches you how I do what I do. Like, it's easy, you know, like you lot can join this group now and you can see for yourself before you get involved. But the idea of the free community is it's free. You lot can come in there, see what's going on. If it's for you, it's for you, and if it's not, it's not. It's simple as that. But like, yo, it fucking works for me. And as you can see, I'll be doing a lot of mad shit. Like, yo, it's funding all these cars, all this life, and all this madness that I'm doing. So put some respect on it, you get me? And like, yo, this is what I want to show you as well, yeah, look. This week, You get me? Like, it's a no-brainer. Look. Get me my account, no dodgy. And like, yo, this is the whole thing about it. Like, it's fucking easy. Like, you lot can get involved by joining my free community, going in there. The link is in the bio. It's also on this QR code here. Yeah, join it, pre it, watch it.
You good? No, you got some serious fucking toys, you know.
Going on in here, isn't there? Quick car, this.
This is like 12 brake.
Fucking hell. Death trap then.
8.6.
So this is our engine here.
Yeah.
Wash then.
This is K20A2, EP3 engine. It's got low mileage. I can't remember what they said on the paper. You know what I mean?
We just want the build to be singing and dancing properly. Big flames out the bonnet, big man things, iguaning. Yeah.
That's not a problem, man.
That's it then. That's what we came for.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so that was what I was going to say to you. Yeah, the car had an immobiliser on. This engine works okay, you know.
Yeah.
That's in it. It drives everything min, but they've lost the fob for the immobiliser. So they're starting trying to do it. We've got it turning over. But yeah, they're just fucking shit car thieves, to be fair. You know what I mean? Stop braking, Josh, you pussy. Send it flat. Swing mirror. There you go, look. Send it.
Got CD changer in there, bro.
Oh yeah.
You want that?
full spec this is.
Full service history and a lot.
I think when these did come out, this was one of the, like a top spec in it.
Yeah, look at the pan roof I got, bro. You know what I'm saying? I got the panners. This car's going to be a sick car, you know. It's going to be an exact replica of the one off the Fast and the Furious.
Put some neons on it.
Yeah.
We got the proper original body kit. We got the wheels. We've designed the wheels ourselves because you can't get them no more. That's going to be a full replica of that car, you know what I mean? Apart from the only difference is obviously you're going to put big fucking flames out the bonnet, do you know what I mean?
I like to, like I've got my drive to the stuff here, so I just get Graham and Dave one time and just give you the car back. Do you get me? I don't like holding nobody's possession for that long.
Right, that's the best way it should be.
There's going to be a few little things, like you need pedals, which it's not hard, but it's just like little niggly bits, which is what I'm going to do first. The engine bit takes me like I get this engine in and out in about an hour.
Fuck off,
and then,
that quick.
Yeah, that's what we do, because I'm known for it. I know about it, I know around it. So ideally it should look something like this. And you want something like this, like an inlet.
Oh Josh, look at this.
So what turbo are we going for?
Put that hook on and I'll show you. So you're going to go for a turbo like that.
Yeah.
So that turbo generator, it can go up to about 650, 700, but you being a stock engine, you're not going to push that much anyway.
So what do you think we'll be able to go to max without it being like a nail? Like, I don't want it to break, or whoever I give it to, I want, because I'm giving this car to one of my fans for free.
Yeah.
So I want it to last them, do you know what I mean? What brake do you
ideally we
reckon I
should
should
put
run it
two
up
switches
to?
on there for you, innit?
Yeah.
You can have like 400 brake and then have like 500 brake. You can have a high boost and a low boost setting. To be honest, about 450 to 500 would be perfect.
Yeah.
That's your day.
That's fucking plenty anyway, to be fair, innit? Like
This
the
is
way
pushing-
fuck all do that.
This is pushing like a stock engine 580, but the thing with this is, I'm a bit of a high risk guy, you know, like I don't give a shit to blows up, do you know what I mean?
Yeah, because you can get the engine out in an hour.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
Like jamming on that car. Have you dragged that car like
not that one.
on that kind of setup? No.
Nah, I've never dragged a front wheel drive, but I've only dragged that car there. But
Yeah, but that's different level of car. That is.
This is Tyson brake, because this is all
That's what I'm saying. What are you dragging 100 to 200 on this?
3.3.
3.3. Okay, yeah, you're taking.
And that was granny shifting. Now,
It's fucking nasty
The
now,
box.
man. Let's have a look at that.
press it on. This
See
one.
these places, man, these places are dangerous. Because I could do a 30 in here, quick time on my own little build that no one didn't even know about, you know what I'm saying? Just end up coming here on the dealer, ringing big man thing, just dropping in the bag. Going mad.
Did you do the fab work or did you get someone to do it?
Basically, I gave a car to someone else, the all-wheel drive, right? And we kind of fell out over something bullshit, over a race that he had with my brother and whatnot. So then he said to me, you go and build one and come look for me, and I'm the wrong guy to say that to. So what it is,
What you say, you just got flat out.
well, fuck this, I rang one of my mates, he had one, I'm taking the car, so I bought the car off him and then done my own kind of mix to it.
So it was already built and you've just
Only the
adapted it?
all-wheel drive, because I've never done one.
Okay.
So then I took that and I made this.
So you put your own engine in
my
this?
My own engine, my own setup, my own source, my own ECU, my own, everything's me now in this.
Yeah.
So now, I might have to get that. I do all-wheel drive conversions from this garage, supply and fit.
Yeah.
But it's not cheap. So some people think it's just simple, man, but it's not.
You know, when my Civic's done, we'll line them up, innit?
I'm ready.
So what's
glue up?
Trust me, I can't wait to see this come back mint, you know. Trust me. You'll see me holding this on
Don't
for
get me
a
wrong,
minute.
it's a very nice
breaking it
base,
away.
to be honest. You know, you can't pick up any EGs that look quite decent.
Like, you know what, it's in good nick. It needs to go to body shop. It's got a bit of rust on the arches. I'm going to get a full re-spray on the car.
Pop the bonnet, let's just have a look, see and do that.
But you ready for this? You ready for it, yeah? So look at that, boys.
The bay is nice though. Just needs a nice wash, really.
That's all it needs?
Yeah, just a nice little chemical wash and you're good to go.
So yeah, man. So what do you reckon the turnaround is then on this Civic? How long till we can? If a customer walks in off the street now and they want what we want, how quick can they get it?
The thing is, I don't work with people off the street. You have to
fucking
look in like this.
It's fucked then, isn't
You know
it?
why? Because you know what it is. I'll be honest. Every Tom, Dick, and Harry will turn up and then say, "Oh yeah, what do you do? What do you do?" And
Okay, so if someone turns up with a bag,
like you lot know what I'm about. So realistically, if someone done this to me, I'm like you said, 2 weeks. I've sourced all the parts, so it will be probably 2 weeks. But I'm giving myself
2 weeks for anyone.
But you could get a phone call next weekend and be like, you know what, the car's ready to start. So pop down.
I'd look
Do you know
forward.
what I mean?
Are you happy?
I'm happy. I'm fucking more than happy. It's here and it's getting done, and it's off my fucking trailer. You know what I mean? That trailer's had this Civic on. Every time I've used the trailer, I've had to roll it off, roll it on, roll it off, roll it off. I've been towing it onto the trailer every other day. Get me? So now she'll be able to just drive wherever she needs to go next time I see her. Make sure you do something with all the old bits, though, man. Because you know what? I'd like it's an unabused example. You know what I mean?
If you want, yeah.
You could put that engine in a transit.
My boys already done it. I don't know.
Has
if
it
you saw
really?
it. Yeah.
Honestly.
You saw it?
No? What a legend. Oh yeah, banana engine, banana van as well, look. What a legend.
Oh, that's sick. Rear wheel drive? Legend.
What, listen to it? Oh, you reckon I could get a YouTube done in that van?
You probably can't, but you just blew the clutch on it. Look, I told home on the way back.
Hey, how's it a rear wheel drive? That's sick,
When
you know.
TV let me do YouTube in that, that's something I'd like to do. And if you've got any mad builds like that as well, hit me up. I want to showcase everyone's shit, you know what I mean? Okay, so we've just dropped our Civic to Big Man Ting. Hopefully she's going to be singing and dancing, but yeah, it should be a tool by the end of the week, so fingers crossed that if everything goes to plan, it's going to be fucking flying. And like, yo, obviously as well, you know, with this build, yeah, like, it's an expensive build, yeah. I'm putting a good few grand in it, but I'm going to be giving that car to one of you lot for free. So if you want to know how to get that, stay locked in with this series, because at the end of it, when we're done with the car, we're going to be giving it to one of you lot for completely free. And there's no hidden clauses, no dodgy, like just free car to one of you lot that deserve it. Because I just feel like I would give like Surruns away, like I give Surruns away all the time. I always do certain giveaways, but I just wanted something to be a bit more personal, and I've put my touch on this car. This car's gonna have everything that I wanted to do to it. But whoever gets the car for nothing, like, they're gonna have a car that's had a lot of time and effort gone into it, which I think myself's a big deal. Like, I could buy you little Surruns and whatever else, yeah, but it's not gonna be a 20 grand build like this. And like, yo, you lot are probably in the comments or watching and whatever thinking, why is this mad geezer just spending like over 20k to give it away for free? And like, yo, you see, I'll be getting it in. Money don't mean shit to me right now. I just be earning mad bread. Like, big up Switzy every single time. The whole thing about this for me is so I can give back to you lot, because I feel like you lot support me with no strings attached, you know what I mean? You don't want nothing off me. You just love what I put out. You're invested, so it's about time I gave you something back. Like, you've been invested in me, it's time I've invested in you lot. But yo, on this note as well, like, you see these mad things I'm doing, like, any of you lot can do it. Like, I ain't got an education. I didn't go to school and know that I'm gonna be this mad petrol head geezer that earns the amount of money and does the mad shit that I do. And like, yo, the whole thing about it is anyone can do it, you know, it's easy. Like, scan this QR code on the screen right now and join our free community and see what we're doing, you know what I mean? Like, if it's for you, get yourself involved. If it's not, then just get your bread up and use it as motivation. But like, yo, the free community's there for you lot. See for yourself where all the magic happens, because like, I wouldn't be able to fund none of this shit without doing what I do on the side, and that's what I'm trying to give to you lot. Like, I can't scream and shout about it enough. Like, it's life-changing shit. It's changed my life. It changed everyone's life that's in the group with us. They're all happy. They're all making bread. You know what I'm saying? But like, yo, obviously now, I know a lot of you are watching the videos and you're like, oh, I don't know if you like the new style of YouTube, what we're doing, or you don't, or you rate, or you don't. Let me know in the comments. I mean, there's not really much I can really do on YouTube at the moment because there's a lot of strict rules in place and they're making it hard for us to do normal Driver Dave shit. But if you want to see the crazy shit, because I'm still doing it, I'm a fucking madman, you know yourselves. So I'm still doing all the crazy shit that I was doing on YouTube before, but now it's just in this Telegram. So if you scan it on the screen right now, that's our free community. All the crazy shit's going in there as well, because they're not as strict as YouTube right now, so that's our go-to at the minute. But yeah, like, share and subscribe. You know what to do. Tell a friend to tell a friend, you get me? We're doing mad shit right now. But yo, we're building Civics.
And getting sandwiches.
And getting sandwiches from the sandwich house. Proper yam sarnie. Go to buy gravy sarnie now. Go on, mush.
Can't do it like Driver Dave. Cebu like still blow that chase. X3M got stupid brake. Big whip, wake up the whole estate. Real wheel drive is spinning it mad. Giving out gases, dinner it man. Do it on road or spin it on tracks. Man can't do it like us, that's cap.